Whether you're a JMeter newbie or a seasoned pro, today's video is packed with essential tips and tricks to supercharge your performance testing. Let's dive right in. First up, use thread groups wisely. Organize your users by creating separate thread groups for different user types or scenarios. This not only helps with clarity, but also ensures you can simulate varied traffic patterns effectively. And don't forget to set an appropriate ramp-up period to gradually simulate load. This avoids the unrealistic surge of traffic and helps mimic real-world user behavior. Parameterization is key for dynamic testing. Use CSV dataset config to feed your tests with multiple datasets. This allows you to test with different inputs like usernames, passwords, or search queries, providing a comprehensive coverage of scenarios. Always validate your responses with assertions. Whether it's checking for specific text, response codes, or even response sizes, assertions ensure your application is responding as expected under load. Real users don't hammer your server non-stop. They pause. They think. Implement timers like the Gaussian random timer to introduce realistic delays between requests. This simulates true user interaction and gives your test results more credibility. For large-scale tests, always run JMeter in non-GUI mode. This reduces resource consumption and prevents potential memory issues that can arise from the GUI, ensuring a smoother test execution. Need to simulate a massive load? Utilize distributed testing. This lets you scale your tests across multiple machines, simulating thousands of users without overloading your test environment. Working with dynamic content? Use regular expression extractors to capture and reuse dynamic values like session IDs or tokens. This keeps your tests robust and adaptable to different sessions. For more complex logic, harness the power of JSR223 samplers with Groovy scripting. It's faster and more efficient than Bean Shell, allowing you to execute advanced logic or custom processing within your tests. Keep your test plans clean and manageable with modular test plans. Break down complex scenarios using test fragments and include controllers. This makes your test plans easier to maintain and reuse across projects. Enhance your JMeter experience with plugins. Whether it's advanced timers, custom thread groups, or server monitoring tools, plugins can significantly extend JMeter's capabilities. And there you have it, our top JMeter tips and tricks to boost your performance testing game. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more testing tips. Share your own JMeter tips in the comments below.